Of course, politically motivated. Although it's difficult to establish what I've liked is about, there have been persistent warning over my life in the last 2 months. Very, very persistent. Very, very persistent. And in fact, it got to a stage that I became scared. But because I just believe life, we have to live it. But the warning has been coming from different angles persistently in the last 2 months. As of today, we've reported to the police. The policemen have gone to the police station in my area, that is Ilobu, to make a report. And the DPO, that is Divisional Police Officer, has promised me that in a couple of hours, that case will be transferred to the High Command in Osogbo.
On behalf of the government, we are calling on the security operatives to please kindly investigate the allegation by Honorable Lasun Yusuf, because I am tempted to believe that Honorable Lasun Yusuf is planning to unleash violence on the innocent people of Irepodun local government on the day of election.